Just what I've been doing, y'all. This is exactly what I've been doing. Just got a package in. I just been stacking up on ammo. MagTech. .165 grain. This is it's not range ammo. This is self-defense ammo. I'm doing this with one hand. I got another box. Sell it and bill it. 40. That's range. So I done got range ammo. I done got self-defense ammo. I bought some magazines for my new firearm that's coming in. Magazines. I hope they work. It's crazy. I don't know why they got it packed like this, but some places you just can't buy your ammo from. Yeah. Stuff done fell out the box. Sorry about that. I'm doing this with one hand. So this is what I've been doing. It's what I've been getting. I've been getting mad ammo and stuff like that. You know, my little drawer right there. Got ammo. That's a self-defense 9mm. I got range ammo. I got shotgun ammo. I got 10mm ammo. More 9mm ammo. I'll take y'all over here. My little box in the corner. Got more ammo. It's just ammo. Ammo, ammo, ammo. That's what I've been racking up on. Just ammo. Now I'm just buying more 40s. 40 ammo and stuff like that. So just save up whatever you can save up and then just buy them as bulks. Pay less for it. Let's go. New York Tactical. I don't like the way this is looking, but it is what it is.